How to manage, check-in and resolve issues with Arrento. Once the booking is confirmed, the tenant will see the accepted status. Once the tenant has completed the payment and signed the contract through Arrento, the check-in process becomes available on their side. It will only be accessible once the arrival date has been reached. Now, let's move into the tenant's check-in experience in Arrento. In this first step, the tenant answers a series of general questions about the accommodation. For example, is there adequate electricity? Next, is there running water in the property? For demonstration purposes, we'll select No. The tenant can then describe the issue in the comments section and upload an image to document the incident. Then, the tenant creates the report. Once the general aspects have been completed, it's time to review each space within the property. If there are any suggestions or observations for the landlord, the tenant can also leave a comment. Once the tenant completes all sections, they simply click Finish to submit the check-in report. We can immediately see that this booking includes a reported issue. There is one incident currently pending resolution. By opening the check-in report submitted by the tenant, we can review the details of the issue. In this case, the kitchen sink isn't working, and the tenant has attached an image as supporting documentation. It is now the property manager's responsibility to resolve the incident. Once the issue has been addressed, it can be marked as solved within the system. The owner can also upload an image as proof of resolution. Now, in addition to reporting issues during check-in, tenants can generate incidents at any time directly from Arrento. They simply go to the Support section in Arrento and click on Generate an Incident. They will then enter a title for the issue, a detailed description, and a photo as supporting documentation. In this example, the tenant submits, "The light bulb in the living room burned out." They can also indicate the level of urgency, whether the issue is urgent or can wait. Once submitted, the incident will automatically appear in the Incident History section within Arrento. Now, let's move to the owner's perspective in Arrento. From the booking section, the property manager will receive a notification. On the right side of the booking row, a red indicator will appear next to the three dots menu. By clicking on Details, the manager can see that there is a new issue under the Issues section, marked with a 1. When opening the issue, the owner can review the incident title, the issue date, the severity level, urgent or not, and the current status. To resolve the issue, the manager clicks on the arrow to expand the incident and selects Solve Issue. At this stage, they can add a comment explaining the resolution and upload a photo as proof of completion. Once marked as solved, the tenant will automatically see the updated status in the Incident History section in Arrento. And that's all. See you in future videos.